Hi everybody, this is Sonia. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a scrapbooking video. I am doing a challenge with my friend Jeannie over at GWiz65. I will put her in the mentions below, and all you have to do is click on the mentions and it will take you to her channel. And you can see her latest videos. Okay, so what the challenge is that we can do any kind of paper crafting. I do just scrapbooking because that is what I am enjoying, and I have a lot of pictures to get out of boxes, and so that is what I just do. I just do very simple, basic scrapbooking. And she does scrapbooking. She does little like mini albums. She makes like embellishments, and she does a lot of different type of paper crafting than just the scrapbook pages. So please check her out. And yeah, so today I have two layouts to show you. And yeah, May and June for me were hectic. The last 2 months have been very difficult. Yeah, as I had said in my last scrapbook video that I did, that I had books fall on my face from above, and yeah, so that took away from the scrapbooking because I could not really, I did a lot of laying down or being, maybe not laying down, but just kind of at an angle because of the pressure of my nose. And so I did not get a lot of scrapbooking done over May and June, but I did get two finished, so I want to show you. Okay, and I'm having bad allergies today, so excuse me for clearing my throat all the time and all of that. Okay, so the first one that I want to show, and I do 12 by 12 layouts. It's called Lizard Oh My. So here it is. Here's the lizard, big lizard. And I just used very neutral, light colored scrapbook paper to do this, since it was outdoors and everything. So, and the story with this is I do not like lizards. This lizard, as well as many, many more, are all over the place on this property, the sheep farm. And I run into them all the time. I do not like lizards. I never have liked lizards. And yeah. So I just, this was a big one. So I did take the time to get a picture of this guy. And yeah, I found it in my picture box, and I thought, well, you know, I'm just going to go ahead and document this, because this is part of my life, and yes, I do not like them. So that was the first one I did. And then the second one I did is called Play With Me. And this is my dog Shadow. He was a Labrador Retriever. And it's a dark photo. But anyway, here he is. He's laying down and he's staring at his ball. And he did this. He has since passed. But yeah, that's what he would do. He would, if he wanted to play, he would get his ball. He would go get his tennis ball. He would get on his bed. This is part of his bed. He had a blanket that he liked. So he was laying his head on his blanket. He would put the ball in front of him and he would lay down. And with his eyes, he would scan the room to see if anybody was staring at him. If anybody had noticed, oh, I got my ball. It is time to play. And he would be like that for the longest time until somebody got up and took the time to throw the ball to him a few times. So anyway, here it is. I tried to use a lighter paper because this picture is very dark. And so I tried to use something that would kind of lighten up the picture. I'm still learning. I have no idea, but anyway. So that is why the title is entitled Play With Me, because that was what he did when he wanted to play. And this was his favorite toy. So, yeah. So once again, I have Lizard, oh my. I have it backed with black cardstock. And Play With Me. And this is backed with red cardstock. So that is what I got accomplished. And anything is better than nothing. So I feel like I've got 2 more pictures out, so that is good. So this month, I plan to get back in it again. And July and August, at the end of August, I will be back with what I have accomplished in these last 2 months, July, August. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that so much. I enjoy doing scrapbooking. I just do the very basic, as you can see. I do nothing really fancy. My whole thing is getting my pictures out of my boxes and getting them in albums. And I like the fact that I can do that, add a little interest to the picture, and that's it. So, yes, I appreciate you watching. And yes, I will see you on the next video. Stay safe and take care.